Namaste and welcome, all my dear friends. This is Sabri from Mechanical Department of Government College of Engineering, Jharkhand. And today, in this live webinar session, I am here to introduce you to a very important project competition, that is Baja SAE India 2021. So, let's know about it. It is a competition originated in the University of South Coronilla in 1976. It is the engineering design competition, specially arranged for the engineering students. Now let us know about the objectives of this competition. Baja SAE is a design competition for undergraduate engineering students. This competition focuses on the point to simulate real-world engineering design and related challenges in this project, and it is very beneficial in the future of the engineering career. This competition is in between the teams to get the best design to manufacturers. Another way, this competition focuses to improve the students to create the best designs and minimize mistakes, which will be beneficial in the engineering career. It focuses towards the team working. It lets students go through the common problems like economical support management to improve them to tackle the future professional problems. Goal of the competition is to design and build a single-seat all-terrain sporting vehicle which contains driver and to construct a better product prototype considering all the factors and the guidelines continued from the competition. In India, Baja operates in the two languages, that is English and Hindi. Types of the competition. There are two types of the competition, that is M-Baja and E-Baja. In M-Baja type competition, the prototype contains the IC engine. And in the E-Baja type competition, the prototype of the product depends upon the electric battery and the motor. Facts about the competition. The program is hosted at the two places in India. One is Pithampur in Madhya Pradesh in India, and second one is Chitkara University, Chandigarh in India. Before taking part in the competition, a participant is not allowed to be changed. Also, participation is on the self-responsibility of the participant. The competition is open for all the engineering universities and online registration takes place. Eligibility. Participants must be at least 18 years old. Students who graduated before the competitions are not eligible. Participants must be members of SAE India Society whose registration will be done by the team leader. Driver of the sporting vehicle should have a government approved license. Accidental and medical insurance of every participant is required. Faculty advisors should make sure that the participants are linked to their universities and colleges as they have registered with the proof. A team must have at least 5 members and at most 25 members in a team. A team having less than 5 members and more than 25 members is not allowed to participate. Economical support. Economical support is not given by the organizers. Students have to arrange their fund by their own. This fund can't be arranged by contribution. So this fund can be arranged by requesting fund from TechUp of our college, which is applicable for Government College of Engineering, Jharkhand, or requesting a sponsorship from the companies. So as it is the first time for our college students to participate in this competition, it is a small video for them from the previous competition. Let's see.
the thing that is that, like, if we have patience and enough determination, we can reach anything. We had faced a lot of difficulties in TI and brake test, but we were fighting till last minute, and we were able to pass the vehicle. Also, the car taught us that next year we must definitely build a faster and more lighter vehicle. This is our first year of participation, and our vehicle weight is 174 kg. The major thing that we face problem is the geometry of the suspension. It's the second breakdown. Only the bolt gets shear out, and the vehicle, now the students are working on the vehicle.
So I hope you like this live webinar session, and if you are interested in this project, you need to fill the Google form whose link is given in the description. Also, if you face any queries, you can contact us. Contacts are given in the video. And also, to connect me on social media, the links are also given in the description. Thank you.